Good morning, my name is Tina Hosey. I'm with Academic Assistance, and today I'm going to take just a minute to talk to you about the blood flow through the heart. So in the upper right-hand corner, I have an actual picture of the heart so that you can follow along as to how it actually looks. However, I'm going to offer you a simplified version to make it a little bit easier to understand. So here is a simple version of the heart. You have your right atrium, your left atrium, your right ventricle, and your left ventricle. So you have to pick a starting point, and for purposes of our video, we're going to start with the left ventricle. So when the blood leaves the left ventricle, it is going to come out of the aorta, and the blood here will be oxygenated. This oxygenated blood is going to go out to all the capillaries of the body. Now, after the capillaries of the body have used all the oxygen in the blood, the deoxygenated blood is going to travel up through a vein called the vena cava. And again, that is deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood is going to come down into the right atrium. It is going to then travel down to the right ventricle, and it will exit the right ventricle through the pulmonary artery. And again, remember, this blood is still deoxygenated. Now, this deoxygenated blood needs to pick up some oxygen, so it is going to go to the capillaries of the lungs. And the lungs are going to fill this blood up with the oxygen. And once it does, once the blood leaves the lungs, it's going to travel through the pulmonary vein back into the left atrium. Okay, so this is the pulmonary vein. And the blood is now oxygenated again. So once it enters the left atrium, it will then travel down through the left ventricle and back again through the aorta as oxygenated blood. So the cycle is just going to continually repeat itself. And that is how the blood flows through your body in a nutshell.